Organic membranes advantage and disadvantage. Polymeric membranes are thin films of 10 to 100 micrometer thickness. Some of the common advantages of polymeric membranes are given, such as availability in a wide range of pore sizes, varying from those of microfiltration to those of reverse osmosis. Availability of both hydrophobic as well as hydrophilic polymeric membranes so as to minimize fouling. I will also discuss the hydrophilicity properties in the next slides. Easy to fabricate and use. Feasibility of scale up and inexpensive compared to ceramic membranes. However, there are some basic disadvantages associated with polymeric membranes, such as low resistance toward organic solvents, narrower pH range of applicability, low resistance to high temperatures, fouling problems, and low lifespan between 12 to 18 months. Recently, also modified polymeric membranes are developed to perform under wider pH and solvent-containing media. However, their resistance against corrosion and organic solvents are yet to be solved to the extent of providing confidence for their successful use in industrial